A person swims aiming to reach the exactly opposite point of the bank of a river. अभी यहाँ पर देख लो, this is the river flow. A person swims in a river aiming. So this was point A. This was point A. He is aiming to reach the exactly opposite end B. Then it has to go along this direction with a velocity of boat, and this is 0, and this is going to be the velocity of the river in this direction. Okay. Okay, so he is swimming with a speed of how much? 0. ये हम इसको लिखेंगे. So velocity of a swimmer is a swimmer, no? So velocity of a swimmer is how much? 0.5 meters per second. It is given. Angle is 120 degrees बोल रहा. With the direction of river flow. So what is the direction of river flow? River flow is in this direction, and he is going to make 120 degrees. Okay, 120 degrees, and this part is 90 degrees, means remaining part is how much? So theta will become 30 degrees here, because 90 1 to total is 120. 120 में से 90 निकाल दे तो बीच जो remaining angle is 30. The speed of the water flow बोला, VR we have to find out. See, you can apply sin 30 here. You can apply sin 30. क्या करना है बस? You just write sin 30 is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Okay, velocity of a river to that of velocity of a swimmer. ये क्या हो गया? 1/2. Velocity of a river divided by velocity of a swimmer कितना था? 0.5. 0.5. Therefore, velocity of a river is 0.5 by 2, which is 0.25. Which is 0.25 is going to be our answer. Okay. Next, a swimmer can swim with a velocity of 12 kilometers per hour in a still water. Swimmer. Okay. And what is that condition? Water flow in the river has a velocity of 6 kilometers per hour. यहाँ पर river flow का velocity कितना था? 6 kilometers per hour. और swimmer का speed कितना था? The direction with which the direction with respect to the direction of flow of river should he swim in order to reach the point at the other bank in the opposite. तो यहाँ से उसको कहाँ पर पहुंचना है? देख लो अच्छी तरह से. So swimmer has to reach exactly opposite end. That means he has to go in this direction. Velocity of the swimmer should be like this. Okay, he has to make certain angle. वो कितना angle है हमको मालूम करना है. Okay, और क्या बोल रहा? In order to reach the opposite point, other bank, opposite round up to the nearest integer. क्या क्या दिया हमारे पास? A swimmer can swim 12 kilometers per hour. Means swimmer का speed दे दिया. He has given the speed of a swimmer. क्या था swimmer का speed? 12 kilometers per hour. और river का speed भी दे दिया. Theta होना है. You have to find out the theta. Okay. In order to reach the opposite point of the other bank, just opposite starting point is dash degrees. Okay, कितना time? You have to find out what is this theta. Simple है. Opposite side हमको मालूम है, hypotenuse हमको मालूम है. Sin theta is nothing but VR by VB, VR by VS. Velocity of a boat or a velocity of a swimmer. Here he is talking about a swimmer. We'll take a swimmer. If he is talking about a boat, we take a boat. यहाँ पर sin theta is equal to VR by VB. इसका मतलब 6/12, which is nothing but 1/2. और 1/2 किसका है? sin 30 का वैल्यू है. Theta is nothing but 30 degrees. Okay, theta is nothing but 30 degrees. Now, a boat which has a speed of 5 kilometers per hour in still water crosses the river of width 1 kilometer along the longest possible path along the shortest possible path in 15 minutes बोल रहा. Okay, so time क्या है यहाँ पर? 15 minutes. If you want to convert into hours, 15 by 60, which is nothing but 1/4 hours. Okay, तो यहाँ पर 15 minutes को hours में convert करना है तो divide by 60, you'll get 1/4 hours. The velocity of the river water is how much? आप देख लो यहाँ पर, यार this is a river. Shortest possible path मतलब ये से B को reach होना है, इसका मतलब boat has to go in this direction. Boat has to go in this direction. The velocity of the river in velocity पूछ रहा ना, width of the river भी दे दिया, D is equal to 1 kilometer बोल के दिया. Velocity of the river पूछ रहा. Okay, अब यहाँ पर देख लो, he is asking us to find out the velocity of a river. How can you find out the velocity of a river? Time मालूम करना है. Time if you find out, it's over. अब यहाँ पर देख लो, what is the logic? Let us see here now. This is said to be velocity of a river. Velocity of a river. Now, one small logic you have to remember here. क्या है? See, time taken by the boat and time taken by the river, they are both same. क्यों same? देखो यहाँ पर, जितनी देर में बोट यहां से यहां तक रीच होगा, ओके, जितनी देर में बोट यहां से यहां तक रीच होगा, पानी यहां से यहां तक रीच होगा ना, because he is trying to go like this, but water will take him like this. So time taken by a boat and time taken by a river to reach these points are same. And what is the time here? Time is nothing but distance by velocity. So time of boat and time of river दोनों का time same, क्योंकि जितनी देर में बोट यहां तक पहुंचेगी, वाटर यहां से यहां तक आएगा ना, same time. Okay, so distance is nothing but 1 kilometer it is given, and what is that time? Okay, time. पूछ रहा क्या हमारे यहाँ पर the velocity of a river पूछ रहा. Okay, so he's asking us to find out the velocity of a river. See, velocity of a river is nothing but distance by time. And I just told you that time is already ready here. That means time taken by the boat and time taken by the river both are going to be 1/4 hours. Okay, with this it is understood that velocity of a river is nothing but distance is 1 kilometer and this is 1/4. So velocity of river क्या हो रहा है? 4 meter per second. That's it. 4 meter per second is the velocity of a river. Your answer is ready. Next, the speed of a swimmer is 4 kilometers in still water, and if the swimmer makes his strokes normal to the flow of river of width 1 kilometer, he reaches the point 750 meters the downstream on the opposite bank of the river. The speed of the river water बोल के पूछ रहा है. तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट को थोड़ा अच्छी तरह से सुन लो, जान लो, देख लो, पहचान लो. So this is said to be point A. This is said to be point B. He has to reach the opposite end. He will go like this. Boat will go like this. River will go like this. And distance traveled at this distance, which is said to be width of the river. क्या बोलते हैं? D बोलते हैं. Which is said to be x. X is nothing but drift of water, drift of the boat. बोट यहां पर जाना था मगर यहां पर पहुंच गया. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रिफ्ट बोलते हैं. इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ ड्रिफ्ट ऑफ ए बोट. ठीक है, तो ये हो गया डिस्टेंस. द स्पीड ऑफ ए, this is A, B and this is C point. This is C, this is B and this is E. Width of the river दे दिया 1 kilometer. He reaches the point 750 meters downstream. इसका मतलब x का वैल्यू दे दिया 750. Let's take a different color. See, this is 750. This is 750 and this is how much? 1 kilometer means 1000. Okay, 1000. और velocity of a river क्या है? River का velocity किसका velocity? Speed of a swimmer दिया. Swimmer बोलो, boat बोलो, both are same. Swimmer or boat, how much is that? 4 kilometers per hour. Okay, so here one thing you should remember. Velocity is equal to distance by time. You all know about this. Okay, but time taken by a boat to reach and time taken by a river to reach both are same. Means what is the meaning? Time is constant. Only velocity is directly proportional to displacement. So velocity of a river by velocity of a boat or a swimmer. Swimmer बोलो यहाँ पर. Swimmer लिए तो swimmer बोलो. Velocity of a swimmer is equal to distance traveled by the river to the distance traveled by the swimmer. Velocity of a swimmer, distance of the swimmer. That's it. Okay. Direct relation है ना? ये shortcut method में बोल दे रहा मैं shortcut. What is the velocity of a river? We don't know. You have to find out. Velocity of a river find out करो. Velocity of a river and velocity of a swimmer कितना 4. Distance traveled by the river कितना 750. और distance traveled by the क्या है? Distance traveled by the swimmer यहाँ से यहाँ तक जाएगा 1000 meters. So यहाँ डाल दो 1000 meters. So how many times it goes? This is 3 times. Let us say some other color. This is 3 times and this is 4 times. That's it. Okay. 250 3 times, 250 4 times. A 4 gets cancelled. Velocity of a river is going to be 3 kilometers per hour is your answer. ठीक है? ये shortest shortcut method में समझा रहा हूँ मैं आप लोग. Now just see here. A rain is falling vertically downwards. Rain is falling vertically downwards with a velocity of 6 meters per second, and a man is moving horizontally. Man is moving horizontally with a speed of 8 meters per second. Find the velocity of rain with respect to man. क्या है ये? Man को रोक दो. You have to take the negative relative velocity. मतलब man should be taken negative, and the value is same 8. And you have to complete this, close this, and this is the final. This is the final. And क्या है ये? Angle theta. This is called as velocity of rain with respect to man. Velocity of rain with respect to man. And velocity of rain is how much? 6. Velocity of man, AB velocity of man, AB velocity of man, 8. Opposite sides are same. तो पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करो बोल के बोला याद है. VRM square is nothing but what is this? Velocity of man whole square plus velocity of river whole square. So we'll take some other color, bright color, so you can see nicely. Vm square क्या है? Vm square. What is Vm? 8 square plus VR square 6 square. So ये हो गया 8 8 64, 6 6 36. Okay, which is nothing but 100. Your answer is 10. So what is that? Find the velocity of rain with respect to man. Is nothing but 10 meters per second is going to be your answer.